Okay, when talking about angle relationships, you are going to ask yourself two questions. What is the relationship of the angles within the parallel lines? That's your first question. Second question is, what's the relationship with the transversal? Anybody know what a transversal is?
No idea.
So the parallel lines, we know, are the two lines right here. Okay? The transversal is what goes through those two parallel lines. It's the line that goes through both of those that create all those different angles. Okay? So the first question you ask yourself with angle relationships, what is the relationship between the parallel lines? Are they inside the parallel lines? Are they outside? Are they on the top? Or are they on the bottom? Okay? Ask yourself that first. And then you ask yourself, what's the relationship with the transversal? What side are they on? Are they on the same side? Are they on alternate sides or opposite sides? Okay, so same side interior, also known as consecutive interior, but same side helps you remember what it is. Same side. So ask yourself, look at the parallel lines. They are both on the inside of the parallel lines. They're in between. So inside, interior. Now you ask yourself about the transversal. They are on the same side of the transversal. So it's same side, interior. That's the angle relationship. Okay, moving down, we have alternate interior. First question, look at the parallel lines. Parallel lines here, they are both on the inside of the parallel lines. So they're interior. Now look at the transversal. Are they on the same side or are they on opposite sides? Opposite sides. So that's where you get alternate. Alternate interior. Okay, now we're moving on to alternate exterior. Ask yourself about the parallel lines. Where are they at? Where are the angles at compared to the parallel lines? They're outside, so that'd be interior. And then look at the transversal. Are they on the same side or opposite sides?
Interior.
They are on opposite sides, so it's alternate exterior. It is outside because both angles are on the outside of the parallel lines. This one's going to be the toughest one. Okay, look at the parallel lines. Are they either on the inside or the outside? They're on both, right? They are on the top of the parallel lines. So if they're on the top of the parallel lines or on the bottom, okay, and then look at the transversal. Where are they at compared to the transversal?
Same side.
Same side. So if they're on the top or the bottom of the parallel lines and they're on the same side, that would be corresponding. Okay, that's going to be the toughest one because the name doesn't really go with the relationship. Okay, corresponding. Any questions with wording of vocab words and understanding of them?
You need to have a better name for it.
What?
You need to have a better name for it.
They do need to have a better name. Okay. Moving on to here, we are going to say their angle relationship. Let's think about them. Remember, ask yourself those two questions. I know they give you the answers. Ignore them. Angle 1 and angle 2 on A. Ask yourself, what's the first question? What do you look at first?
Yes.
Look at the parallel lines first. Are they on the inside or are they on the outside? On A. They are both on the inside, okay? There's step 1. Step 2, look at the transversal. Are they on the same side or opposite sides? Opposite sides, so it would be alternate interior. Okay? On B, 3 and 4, what's the first question you ask? What do you look at? Look at the parallel lines first. Are they on the inside or are they on the outside?
Outside.
So exterior. Then you look at what?
The placement, like.
Of what? From the transversal. Yep. Are they on the same side or opposite side? So they're alternate exterior. 5 and 6, you kind of might have to tilt your paper a little bit. Look at the parallel lines first. Inside, outside. Inside. Now look at the transversal. Same side, opposite side. Same side. So it would be same side interior, or also known as consecutive interior. Whatever one you want to use is fine. Right, I'm skipping this one because I don't like that example. Move over to this one. So we're going to look at different angle relationships. Look at 2. Oh. Look at 2. Look at 7. What's the first question you ask yourself? What do you look at first? Look at the parallel lines. Are they on the inside or are they on the outside?
Outside.
Outside, so that means what word?
External.
No.
Exterior, yep. Now you look at the transversal. Same side or opposite side?
Opposite.
So what's the word for that?
Oh, okay.
Alternate exterior. Good.
How much is the
That's fine.
Alt X.
You're learning.
Alternate exterior. All right, now we're looking at 3 and 5. What's the first question you ask yourself? Look at the parallel lines, inside or outside?
Inside.
So that means interior. Transversal, same side, opposite side.
Same side interior.
Yes, it would be same side interior or consecutive interior. All right, 1 and 5. What do you ask yourself first? What do you look at?
They're
Look at the parallel lines.
inside and outside.
They're inside and outside. So automatically, what is the only option?
corresponding.
Inside and outside corresponding. Yep. And they're on which side of the transversal? Same side or opposite?
Same side.
Same side. Corresponding. Oh, I totally spelled that wrong. Okay. I want you guys to try these ones first, and then we'll go over them together. First, we're looking at 4 and 5. What'd you guys say?
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior, you are correct.
Let's go.
They are on the inside of the parallel lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. All right, what about 4 and 8?
Corresponding.
Corresponding. Why is it corresponding?
Same side interior and exterior.
They're on the bottom of the parallel lines, and they're on the same side. So they're not neither interior or exterior, so it has to be corresponding. It's the only other option. 4 and 6.
Same side interior.
Is that what everyone else got? Same side interior. Any questions over vocab or looking at pictures or diagrams or anything like that with these vocab words?
I'm ready for the assignment.
All right.